In a pan, add a drizzle of olive oil and a knob of butter. Heat it gently and wait for the butter to melt. We mix the oil and butter to keep the butter from burning. Oil has a higher burning point than butter. If you prefer, you can use just oil or just butter. Once the butter melts, add a few cloves of chopped garlic. Stir briefly and let it cook on low heat for a couple of minutes. Let it release its flavor into the oil and turn lightly golden. Be careful, garlic is delicate, so always cook it gently. In fact, we'll make our entire white sauce over low heat, all the way through. After about 2 minutes, with the garlic lightly golden and the butter and oil fully infused with flavor, add cooking cream. Add a small pinch of salt, not too much. And mix it all again, always on low heat because these ingredients are delicate. If the cream gets too hot, it can split, so again, always low heat, always. While the sauce is cooking, we can start boiling the pasta. In a large pot with plenty of water, add a good pinch of salt. Don't worry, pasta only absorbs a small part of it. Then, add the pasta of your choice. For this dish, thin pasta works best. Spaghetti, linguine, tagliatelle, or anything similar. Let the pasta soften and naturally sink into the water as it heats. Then stir it with a spoon to stop it from sticking to the bottom of the pot. Let the pasta cook for about 10 minutes, the same time it takes to finish our creamy white sauce. This is a very easy and quick dish to make, as you can see. Where are you watching from? Leave your city in the comments. I'd love to see how far these videos travel. It's amazing how, in today's world, a simple home-cooked recipe can cross borders and reach the other side of the planet. Back to our sauce. We had golden garlic and cream. Now add a handful of grated cheese, something aged, full of flavor. Choose your favorite, but go for bold taste. Mix it gently with the rest of the ingredients. And the pasta? It's now perfectly al dente. Before draining it, reserve a bit of the cooking water. It's full of flavor. We'll use it in just a moment. You'll see. Now yes, drain the spaghetti. Add it to the creamy white sauce we just prepared. Pour in a little bit of that pasta water. It adds flavor and makes the sauce even creamier. Sprinkle some freshly chopped parsley on top. And optionally, a pinch of nutmeg for extra aroma. Now just mix everything together over medium heat. And look how every strand of spaghetti gets coated in that creamy sauce. This is pure pleasure. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.